Good evening. We are Capstone Group 57 and title of our project is Walk Through an Eye Control Wheelchair. Myself Hardik and my branch is ECE.
Myself Jaswanth and I'm from ECE.
Myself Prasang and I am from ECE.
Myself Chaitanya Sharma and I'm from ECE.
Myself Pankaj Aggarwal, I am from ECE.
So now I will talk about the problem statement. According to a clinical survey, which indicates that 9 to 10% of severely disabled patients are having difficulty finding it impossible in using a powered wheelchair. And this indicates that they are lack of motor skills and strength and difficult to operate a sophisticated wheelchair functions. So our system aims at a user-friendly product which requires no rigorous training. So for this, now I'll talk about the proposed solution. So the idea is to create an eye monitored system which allows movement of the patient's wheelchair depending on the eye's movement. So this system involves three stages. First is image detection, which will be done using a mounted camera, and then image processing, which will be done using OpenCV library of Python. And then this control signal will be sent to wheelchair using Arduino.
So here is the working block diagram. So basically we will be catching eye movement using the camera module, which will be sent to the eye tracking module, which will calculate the position of eye and send the signal to the microprocessor accordingly. So the microprocessor module, according to the position of eye, will send the signal to motor in which direction to move, and where the motor driver module will send the signal to motor to act accordingly. In case of any obstacle, which will be sensed by ultrasonic sensor, will send the signal to microprocessor module to stop or act accordingly. Here is the image of our working model. As you can see, these are the various components which has been marked on our project as follows. This is ultrasonic sensor. These are the connecting wire. This is the motor driver IC, which is L293. This is Arduino Uno, which is our microcontroller. These are motor, which are 9-volt motor, and this is a breadboard.
So it is our basic schematic representation. As shown in circuit, we have connected both the 12-volt DC motor with dual H-bridge L293D motor driver IC. This IC has 2 direction control pin for each channel. Pin number 2 and 7 will control the spinning direction of motor A, while pin number 10 and 15 will control motor B. All 4 input pins of L293D IC are connected to 4 Arduino digital output pins. Next, we have connected the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino board for obstacle detection. Next, we need to supply 5 volt for the driver logic circuitry. So we have connected VCC pin to 5 volt.
We have used OpenCV library for loading various files and capturing the video. We converted the colored image to gray for after that because detection of eye is easy in that. For detection of eye, we use cascade classifiers as eye detection algorithm since it is more fast and accurate than LBPH. And after detection of eye, we converted that detected part from gray to black and white, and then we use further morphological calculations for calculation of centroid so that we can get the exact position of centroid so we can get an idea where the person is looking, left, right, or straight.
Now there is a simulation which will be represented by this one.
Discuss. This is our working model. You can see here buggy, and this is having 2 tires and 2 motors, as you can see. And these 2 motors were running by L293 IC drivers, and as a microcontroller we are using Arduino Uno, and we are actually using the high volt battery for this. Now I'm connecting the high volt battery. As you can see here, I'm seeing straight. So the working model 2 wheels will be running. Now I will be looking to the left. So what will happen is here, the left one will be stopped and only the right one will be working. Now I will be looking to the right. Now only the left one will be running. You can see here, this is our working model. Thank you.